Okay, so the tool that I'm going to be showing you guys today can actually help you earn passive income without doing any work. And this service is called Honeygain. So basically what Honeygain is basically a software that you can download on your smartphone or on your computer or any device basically, and it just kind of runs in the background when you have the program on in the background. And what it basically does is that it routes some traffic through your internet connection. Let's say that a company wants to test how fast their website loads on, for example, let's say that you live in the United States and they want to check how fast their website loads in the United States. Then they can route their traffic through your internet connection to be able to test their services and websites and stuff like that. So if a company is routing traffic through your, specifically your internet connection, then they're going to pay Honeygain a little bit of money, and a percentage of that is going to come to you. And this comes in form of these Honeygain points, and every 1,000 points is worth $1. And I'm going to be honest, it does actually take quite a long time to be able to get a payout. Personally, for me, it takes a couple of months, something like 4 to 5 months, but it's pretty much passive, and there are some ways to increase how much honey you are able to gain. First of all is this earned thing that you can open every single day. So what I recommend you do is that you download this app, the Honeygain app, on your smartphone, and then you'll easily be able to go into it every day and go ahead and claim your free rewards. As you can see, today I just got 5 Honeygain points, but sometimes you'll be able to get 10. Sometimes if you're lucky, maybe you'll even get like 100. They do promise that you are able to get 10,000 Honeygain points, but I'm not really sure if that's even real because I have never personally gotten this. So ideally, you would want to download the Honeygain software on a MacBook or a Linux device or any sort of computer like on Windows, because then you can basically have it as a little program running in the background, and you are still able to do everything that you want. And I'm pretty sure that works on Android too, but if you're using it on a smartphone, it might use some of your cellular data, which you might not want. But that you can probably go ahead and turn off. And on iPhone, you actually need to have the app open. So on an iPhone, on an iOS device, it is pretty much useless and it does nothing. It can only, pretty much for me, the only good thing with the iOS app is that you can go in and claim your free reward every day. And they do have an affiliate link that I can share with you guys, and that is going to give you a bit of a starting bonus. I think it gives you 5,000 Honeygain points, and then that does also support my Honeygain account by giving me 10% of the traffic that you are earning. But it doesn't remove anything for you. It's basically just a free way for you to get 5,000 Honeygain points and to help this channel as well. And they do have some jump task thing here or two where you can get apparently 10% more, but that has something to do with like cryptocurrency, and it's like their own crypto or something like that. And personally, I wouldn't just recommend it. I would just say they can go ahead and use this, and what you can do is when this has filled up to 100%, which I think I've gotten 2 times now, what it basically does is that you can go ahead and create some, I think it's called like some Tipali account or something like that. Basically what that does is that it connects your Honeygain account into your PayPal account. I don't know if you can connect your bank too, but ideally I would just recommend creating a PayPal account, which is completely free, and then you can transfer your Honeygain money from Honeygain to your PayPal account. And then from PayPal, you can go ahead and connect your bank account and go ahead and get it deposited to your bank account. But I'm pretty sure there is some sort of like 15% fee or something. So if you're getting $20, maybe you will only get, I don't really know what that is, but you'll get a couple of dollars less because you're doing it through PayPal instead of using Jump Task. So I mean, if you are tech savvy enough, then I guess you can go ahead and try out Jump Task, but personally, I just use the normal Honeygain. So yeah, go ahead and give it a shot. I have an affiliate link in the description if you want to go ahead and try it out.